Friends, today we are going to tell you how you can earn daily 10% of your investment by investing just only 100 tons. To know full information, watch this video till end. Friends, company name is Ace-Tron Trading and company official website is www.acetron-trading.live. And friends, we are going to tell you about company Ace-Tron Trading has 25 years of experience in trading industry. Just because of that, company is providing you daily 10% ROI. And if we talk about who we are, so according to company PDF, Ace-Tron Trading is managed by professional traders team. They have 25 years experience in trading. And friends, here trading is performed by TradeBot as well as they use 100% auto trading software to trade in cryptocurrency and provide you all guys profit from there. And friends, you can see company vision and mission on your screen. And friends, here company has discussed about copy trading, forex trading and robot trading, because these all trading is performed by the company and company invest your money in this trading platform and give you profit. If we talk about company features, so this is certified secure profitable company, has best plan, company accept on cryptocurrency and provide you best support system. If we talk about advantages of Ace-Tron Trading, so this is completely decentralized smart contract work. There is no admin here. This is 100% verified smart contract and based on Tron blockchain, and they use algorithm of cryptocurrency blockchain. Now we will tell you why you should join Ace-Tron Trading platform. Because you can invest your money easily, you will get higher security and get 24/7 support. Moreover, you can earn good profit from here. And friends, by joining this platform, you can fulfill your dreams. And friends, here you can see company founder and CEO as well as you can see company management team. If we talk about joining amount, so you can invest minimum 100 trons and maximum unlimited trons you can invest. Once you invest, you will start getting two types of income: ROI income and referral income. Now we will describe you how you will get these income. Of all, we will discuss about ROI income. So here you will get daily 10% ROI income, and as I already told you that here you can invest minimum 100 trons and maximum unlimited trons. If you invest minimum 100 trons, so within 10 days you will get your 100 trons return. Within 20 days you get 200 trons. Within 30 days you get 400 trons. Within 40 days you get 800 trons. Within 50 days you get 1600 trons. And friends, as same as within 150 days you will get 16,38,400 trons by investing just only 100 trons. So you can imagine if you invest more, so how much you can earn from this platform. If we talk about the referral income, so here on the first level you will get 8% referral income. On second level you get 5%. On third level you get 3%, and on fourth level you will get 2% referral income. And friends, here the more referral you do, the more you will get income. And friends, companies also providing promotional income only for YouTubers. If you make video and upload on your YouTube channel, and if you get 250 views, so you will get 100 trons every time. And if you get 500 views, so you will get 250 trons every time. And if you get 1000 views, so you will get 1000 trons reward. You will get every time. Joining is also not mandatory. Friends, if we talk about terms and conditions, so here you can take withdrawal anytime and you will get instant payout. 10% charge will be deducted from every withdrawal, and you can invest minimum 100 trons and maximum unlimited trons. And friends, it is your personal choice and wish to join or not. If you lose your money or gain, so our team will not responsible for it. So you can check description, we will provide top leaders contact number. And friend, thank you so much for watching this video till end.